we're headed up to what I believe is a birthday cruise. I've been invited by my good buddy Mike. He has the Stance Subaru Legacy, as you guys will see if you have not already seen in previous videos, but you'll meet him today and his car. And we're meeting up with a couple of other people with some other cars and going to this cruise. It seems to be a pretty common thing that people are doing during the COVID epidemic thing that's going on right now. It's awesome that I get to be a part of it now, and it's just a beautiful day out today. So the car has a couple of issues going on right now. So the car has bad valve stem seals. I think I may have said that before in the video where we took the car out for the first time this season, but the valve stem seals, the exhaust side on this cylinder and I think this cylinder are bad. So I do have parts coming in for those. That will be one of the things that we're doing in the upcoming future on this car, as well as my drive shaft needs to be replaced. One of the carrier bearings is completely shot, so it howls on the road. It's done that ever since I got it. It's never been something that's like, oh my gosh, I need to fix this instantly, because obviously I've been driving the car. But I have another drive shaft, so we're just gonna slap that in and go from there. But anyways, we're gonna go get on the road after the car gets warmed up, and then I'll catch up with you there. So we made it to the gas station. It's crazy because like right now E85 is $1.99 where I typically get it, and as you guys probably know, gas prices are very low right now. I actually filled up like 2 weeks ago for 89 cents a gallon. It's more expensive for me to drive my car right now than it is to drive my truck. Our construction worker friends a little bit of boost action. I think they'd like that. Always a good time. Alright, so we just met up with everybody. I think 6 of us. And we're just leaving to go meet up with, I think, everybody else for the cruise. Well, we made it out to where everybody is meeting. There's actually a handful of pretty cool cars. I'm hanging out with Mike, chatting with some of the other owners, but I saw this one on Facebook a little while ago, but finally get to see it in person. It's a pretty much stock 2G Auto GST, the thermal R&D exhaust on it, some rando wheels and whatnot. It's not every day that I go to a show and there's actually like another DSM, so that's pretty cool. There's also an Evo 10 over there, and there's an Evo 8 or 9. I think that one's a 9. I don't know, I can't tell. There's actually, this one's pretty cool too. I have a weird thing for like weird cars, but there's a Prowler, and those are just, it's not a car you see very often, so it's kind of cool to see. It's also in a very unique color. I don't know. Mike doesn't like it. No. Like I said, I like weird things, and I just think it's a cool car. I don't think. Well, okay, yeah, I said the engine is garbage, but the car itself is very unique and very cool. So, in case you guys are not familiar, this car was in my Light the Night video, but this is Mike's Legacy GT. It is the Spec B as well. Stock motor, about 110,000 miles, you said?
About 110.
Yeah. But this thing is so cool looking. I absolutely love this car. Just got the window vents too. Now you're full Stancy boy, you know that, right?
I'm a hot boy now.
This thing is really cool though. It's super, super loud. Is it just straight pipe all the way?
Yep, from the turbo back.
Yeah, okay. It's very loud, very crackly. But man, this thing breaks necks all day long.